Basic food preparation terms. Baked, cooked by dry heat in an oven. Boiled, cooked in boiling liquid. Braised, browned in a small amount of fat, then cooked slowly in a small amount of liquid. Broiled, cooked by direct heat from above. Deep fried, cooked in enough fat to cover the food. Fried, cooked in fat. Grilled, cooked on a grid over direct heat, usually hot coals. Poached, cooked in enough simmering liquid to cover the food. A liquid is simmering when it is just below the boiling point. Roasted, cooked uncovered without water added, usually in an oven. By dry heat. Sautéed, browned or cooked in a small amount of hot fat. Steamed, cooked in steam with or without pressure. Stewed, simmered slowly, usually for a long period of time, in enough liquid to cover the food.